Alex here with another video on legal nuts and bolts. This video is going to be a follow-up to a really early video that I did in high conflict child custody. I think it was titled Rules, Statutes, and Case Law. Basically, I talked about how to do research for your case. I just wanted to mention in this video, um, don't let your research be Google. Don't Google Wikipedia or like websites on like divorce and child custody and father's rights, and then rely on what those websites say to build your case. If you do that, you're going to fall into traps, because a lot of these websites have bad law, or they have law that's relevant to like a very specific jurisdiction. And even if you do find a good law, if you go to court and then the judge asks you, "I'm not sure what you're talking about," you're not going to be able to say, "Well, I found it on Google," or, "Well, it's on this father's rights website," or, "It's on this lawyer's law firm website." That's not going to get you anywhere. You better have the statute. You better have the case law. You better have the court rule, or you're not going to get anywhere. So here's what you can do. If you're using Google, or if you're using these websites to try to do some research, because they're written in plain English and they're easier to understand, I can understand that. Use what you find in those websites to then go and do research on scholar.google.com or on Westlaw or on LexisNexis or at the law library. Use the terms you find in those informal areas to find the actual case law you can cite, or the actual statute, or the actual rule in LexisNexis or Westlaw or Google Scholar. So pick those terms that you find and plug them in and find actual cases, and that's actual authority that you can actually use in court, that you can actually put into your motions that you're filing. So with that, I'm really going to end this video just really quickly. Again, it's okay to use Google, but when you do Google and you find various informal resources, take little pieces out of that to actually go and find actual formal authority, and put that actual formal authority that you discover into your arguments. So yes, use those as a sort of guide to the actual authority, because I know some people don't understand terms. I've said things before like res judicata or issue preclusion. Well, you'll find terms like this when in these informal websites and other informal resource areas. You'll find these terms, you'll take those terms, you'll search those terms, and hopefully you'll find the actual authority that you can use in court with your judge. So with that, I'll end this video.